Hello guys, today I will show you how to create a location in Oracle Cloud Fusion. So first you open your Oracle Cloud account. So if you want to create a new location in Oracle Cloud Fusion, you have multiple choices. So I will show you first one. Simply go to the offering and setup and maintenance. In setup and maintenance, you select the workforce development in setup. You go to the workforce development here. After the workforce development, you select the workforce structure. You will see the required task. Simply click on the all task. Then you will see the all task here. Then select the manage location here. Manage location. Open it. So here the page where we create a new location. If we want to see the existing location in the system, simply search here. For suppose Asia, you will see the location in the system which have been already created. If you want to create a new location, simply click on the add button. Here is the page where we create a new location. Simply, so first we select the effective start date. For suppose we start 1st Jan of 2020. Here 1st Jan 2020. Then select the action region, status, select the location set. So you want you select the location set as per your business needs. So now we select go to the common set. So here our new location set name. Simply select your new location name. Testing. So here our location name. Select the location code. For suppose select the organization. Select any organization. Then select the standard working hours frequency. This select as your business needs. Employee location, office site, receiving site, ship to site, and bill to site. These all are as per your business requirement. Add the detail for your location. So now select the address. We select the United Arab Emirates. Select the address line 1. Select the PO post office box. Box, 5th floor. Select the city. Select, and then select the time zone. So we done with the basic requirement. You want to see the additional fields, so you add this field as per your business requirement. Then simply click on a submit button to create a new location in Oracle Cloud Fusion. So our location has been created here. First we check our location. Here, testing location for new user Fusion. Our location here. So now the second option to create a new location. So The second option is in my client group. So if you want to assign my client group to any user, first you need to assign this first you need to assign these three roles to the user. First you need to assign these three roles to the user. Then you go to the my client group. In my client group, you go to the workforce structures. In workforce structure, you go to the manage location. In my manage location, you follow the same steps which now we created the location. Hope you understand how to create a location in Oracle Cloud Fusion.